When remodeling a kitchen, one question almost always comes up. Should you choose an undermount sink or a drop-in sink? A drop-in sink, also called a top mount or self-rimming sink, rests right on top of the counter. It's easier to install, budget-friendly, and works with almost any countertop material, from laminate to stone. But one drawback? That visible rim. It can collect grime and make cleaning a little trickier. Undermount sinks, on the other hand, attach underneath the countertop. This creates a smooth, sleek look, and cleaning's a breeze. Just swipe crumbs right into the sink, no lip in the way. So, how do you decide between a drop-in and an undermount sink? If you want to make the most of every inch of counter space, an undermount sink is your best bet. The countertop flows seamlessly into the sink, giving you a little extra room. Undermount sinks also make cleaning your countertops easier, no rim to catch crumbs or spills. But when it comes to cleaning the sink itself, drop-in models have an advantage. Their edges are fully visible and easy to wipe down. Installation is another key factor. Drop-in sinks are simpler and cheaper to install, perfect if you want a quick DIY project. Undermount sinks, on the other hand, usually need professional installation. And while a sink alone won't dramatically raise your home's value, an undermount sink does bring a sleek, high-end look that can impress potential buyers. Here's the simple choice. If you want something affordable and easy to install, pick a drop-in sink. If you want a modern, seamless look and easier counter cleanup, go with an undermount. Whatever you choose, make it work for you. Happy remodeling!